In this video, I'm going to show you how to properly clean any flat screen TV. And the only thing that you're going to need is microfiber and distilled water. Now, microfiber you can get anywhere at any grocery store, any cleaning place. It's basically a synthetic material that's made out of plastic and it dries real quick. It's tough, it'll last, but it's also soft. And that's why it's good for screens. Don't use like a paper towel or or like a washcloth or something. It's kind of too coarse for a TV. And then distilled water, what distilled water is basically boiling water that comes back down and you're using it's like the purest, cleanest water. So you want to use distilled water. So what I'm going to go ahead and cut off a little bit of the microfiber. So what I'm going to do is go in little circular motions. And you want to make sure that your TV's powered off and unplugged. All right, let's get to it. And this will help get any little fingerprints off. And now if you have something that's a little bit, if there's like sticky stuff on there, a little bit harder surface, then that's when you would use your distilled water. You don't have to use too much. Then you want to go back over it with the microfiber, get all the water off. Microfiber is a great product. Okay, that's pretty much all you have to do. Go ahead and try it, and if you could, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. Alright, thank you for watching.